Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super comforting dish, curry chicken bites. Look at this, golden, glossy, with tender chunks of chicken and soft vegetables. The sauce thick and rich, making it totally irresistible. Alright, let's get started. For the chicken, you can use either chicken thighs or chicken breast. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs today. They stay really tender. Just cut them into strips first, then into little cubes. Next, chop up some potatoes, carrots, and onions, all into small cubes as well. Everything is ready, so let's start cooking. Add a little oil in the wok, and in goes the chicken. Stir fry it until the outside gets just a little bit browned. That's where the flavor is. Once it's lightly golden, take it out. Now with the leftover oil in the wok, toss in all the veggies. Give them a good stir for a minute or two, just until everything starts to soften. Then add the chicken back in. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce along the edge of the wok. Mix it all up. And add enough hot water to level with the ingredients. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Cover it up and let it simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. The potatoes should be soft by now. So let's add in 2 cubes of curry. Let it melt slowly as the sauce reduces. That's how you get that thick, rich curry. And look at that! The sauce is glossy, thick, and smells incredible. Look at this plate! Fluffy rice with this thick, flavorful curry. Honestly, who could resist? Even picky eaters will fight for this. Let me test it. Wow, so good. 1 bowl of rice is definitely not enough. Give this a try at home. You are going to love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.